Hi, I'm Josh Preeb. My investment property is 2374 Arbor Tree Court, Southeast Grand Rapids, Michigan, 49546. So just looking at some of the numbers and some of the statistics on the house, they're asking for $470,000, 300 or 3,714 square feet, zero point 0.8 acres. There's four bedrooms, five bath. It's a very nice family house, very big. It includes a finished basement with a theater down there, a walkout, an additional bedroom down there as well, and some of the luxuries of the house. It has a very nice two-story living room with a double-sided fireplace, very big yard space, and just a great place to raise a family. Looking at some of the geographic analysis real quick, it's in Cascade Township, which is in Grand Rapids, but just outside of the city, in the suburbs. It's Grand Rapids is known as one of the best places to raise a family, so it's a great place, like I said, for a family atmosphere. It's in the Forest Hills School District, which is the #1 rated school district in the suburb of Grand Rapids. So that's obviously a plus for any families interested in living here. And there's also a lot of things to do, and I included Lake Michigan on the slide, but there's things like golf courses, there's a lot of restaurants downtown, there's Van Andel Arena, there's theaters, there's just museums, there's a lot of things to do in Grand Rapids, which is just, like I said, minutes away. And then when we look at the market, it's a family-oriented suburban market. There's a lot of subdivisions in the suburbs of Grand Rapids. Specifically, East Grand Rapids is very close, and it's a very nice area. The um, the Cascade Township, the median list price is 459,000, and the median sell price is 345,400. So these are very obviously high prices, especially compared to Grand Rapids. That's looking around 150. East Grand Rapids was about 350. So just like Cascade is very more similar to East Grand Rapids. Very nice suburban area from Grand Rapids. Um, and when we look at some of the evaluations for the income approach, I came to 300,000. Don't income really wasn't a good approach for this one because you're not going to rent out a house of this size of this quality. The cost approach was pretty good because new homes are going to look something like this, and it came up to 557,100. The comparison approach is probably the best just because there's a lot of comparisons. It's the most easy to judge when we're talking about a house that won't be invested on, more of a family house and somewhere where you'd live. And those three houses, the sales comparison indicated market value came to just under 500,000 at 495,000. So just looking at these and weighting them appropriately, I'd say sales comp would be half of it, income would be just 2/10, and cost would be 3/10. And um, it came out to $474,630. So this is actually very close to the asking price. If you're looking for this house to invest in as an income property, it's going to be very tough to make your money. So my recommendations would be to rent out and receive an income on. I would say no, probably shouldn't buy the house unless you can get it for much cheaper than the asking price of 470,000. If you're looking at for it to live in for a family, then yes, 470 is actually a very good price. It's very comparable to what I came up with. You could probably bargain down a little bit, but like I said, if you're going to invest and try to make an income, this is not a good property.